Hi all, in this section we'll be just going through some pendulum clearing and healing for fear that's based in the body at a cellular level. So this morning I made some charts to locate where the energy of fear might be residing within the body, and the pendulum dowels that everyone in this section had some cellular fear, and this was the best healing for you. So there's where the fear is placed in the body, and also the type of energy that it relates to, the deep problem that it might relate to. So as I read the messages, I'll also do some dowsing where the energy of fear is connected to your energy system. So for SR, you had the fear of acceptance and abandonment. So the message that came through was, speak to all the cells, tissues, organs, and tell them you are loved. Love comes in and spreads its wings. Bless every part of your energy system and body. It's okay to be okay now. Shine colour within of a golden energy, bright pink, orange, and red. Your energy body will respond to it. Get a colour chart. Colour is freeing for you. You can create with colour and dream You are beautiful. That's your higher self wanted you to know that. Now, for SR, is there anything on this chart we need to be looking at? Yes. Show me what area of the body is connected to the fears. So it's small intestine and it's related to insecurity. So is SR holding on to fear in the small intestines? Yes. Okay, should we just clear it now? We'll just clear it rather than do a healing at the end, because it's just easier to do it one by one. And how is this a problem? Denial. So it's a healing around denial. So let's just clear all old energy now. So clearing will take place because we've asked it to, and it's related to quantum entanglement. So we're just connecting the two energies together. We're connecting SR's cellular energy and clearing the energy of fear in the small intestine relating to insecurity. So connect to and clear all the cellular energy around fear. So this small intestine is cleared of fear. So we're just shifting that out of the energy body. There's no need to hold on to this. It's good if you can connect to it and clear it. So fear, how much is SR holding on to insecurity in the small intestine now? 0. So you can test this yourself, SR. So increase strength, vitality, and cellular flow and compassion. They said they want me to say compassion. So you're going to increase compassion for SR. And hopefully this will resolve some of the fears that you've been holding on to. It's no need to hold on to them anymore. So that looks like it's done. So is there anything on this chart now? So it's no. So see, we've cleared that. So I hope that helps. Through my chart. This reading is for Julie M. And your fear was about abandonment, inner critic, betrayal, and you had an inner critic. Why are you hiding that powerful energy for fear of overpowering others? Worried about what others will think of you? Do this no more. Inside is a dynamo waiting to come to the surface and show itself. I like saying that. I like reading that. It was so great. And who you actually are. There is a crossroads soon to choose the right path for your soul journey. So much of yourself is hidden right now, like half the butterfly. So they showed me a picture of half a butterfly in and out of the chrysalis. And then they said, you can do this. So is Julie holding on to any cellular fear from this chart? Show me where. Fear, legs moving, so fear of moving forward. where was this picked up from? Past life. Okay, can we just clear this now? So connect to the energy of fear for Julie, cellular fear for Julie in leg that is being held by the leg. So connect to and clear, relating to the fear of moving forwards and being self-critical. So Julie M now releases all cellular fear on this chart, or you can release everything on the chart in one go. Probably is for the best. Let's just do that for the future. So connect to and clear all cellular fear, especially in the legs. Fear holding on to the legs are now clearing fear. Okay, and what is on this chart for Julie? Anything? Not a problem. Where was there a problem before? This went to childhood conditioning. Was it childhood conditioning? Yes. What percent is this a problem now? It's kind of cleared. You can check this yourself later. But that seems like cellular healing's been done. April A. So your fear was around life purpose, home and true love. They said the energetic connection and wisdom comes through you easily. Give yourself the connection you give to others and crave for yourself. The doors will open wide for you once you treasure what is in your heart. Past lives taught you not to believe in yourself. You are a creator of magic. What is not to love? You are guided from above. That's nice. So is there anything on this chart affecting April? Yes. What do I need to look at? So intestines, assimilation. So is April holding on to intestinal fear? Okay, we're just going to connect to and clear that. So clearing is just a counterclockwise move. So connect to and clear all past life and this life energy around cellular energy around fear. It's really strong, this one. It really wants to go deep. Connect to and clear all cellular energy around from the intestines and all any energy, fearful energy that April's holding on to, she now releases. Okay. Holding on to any energy now? No. Right, we're going to increase strength and finding life purpose and true love and security for the home and family. An ability to create magic and be guided. Let's just send that through. Done. Okay, I hope that helps you. Mary G. So you have fears around financial loss, children fighting, and your true path. So let's just command that any energetic frequencies not of light and love be gone. Then it said, you are a messenger able to travel great distances and see from things from above. You get messages and tell your story. You should tell your story, your whole story. Start writing journals and creating a story. It's okay to tell your story and your truth. This will bring comfort to others. The universe tells its story through you. You are a creator of stories and a messenger of light. So what do we need to look at for Mary at the moment, holding on to fears? Oh, love and heart. Okay, so let's just connect to any traumatic events in the past that have caused fear in Mary's heart energy, cellular energy and memory from the heart. We're going to connect and clear or transform those fears. You can still have memories without holding on to such fear. And this being a problem and stopping your ability to live your life fully now. And resisting energy that's coming for you. So we're just going to clear that, the energy, the cellular energy within the heart, connect to and clear. That's causing a problem or weakness for your energy and memory system. Connect to and clear all energy. So look at all the rose quartz for you, Mary. I hope you're feeling better today. So we're going to connect and clear. And then they wanted me to say, enable you to feel safety. So enable you to feel safe now in this life. So enable you to feel completely safe. So enable Mary to connect to her inner power and be able to tell her story and her vision. We know she's a messenger of light and has great stories to tell. One day I want to be reading your book, Mary, or one of your stories. To connect the energy from Mary and bring her in. The ability to change and tell her story. And with love. Okay, what fears was Mary holding on to with her heart before? What fears of Mary holding on to? Okay, so that's cleared, Mary. I hope that helps you. Okay, this is the last one, then I'll have to go to the shop. Finish the rest after. So I have to go and get tea. Right, Rashmi. Your fear was losing your family and physical pain and health and to do with your work. So they said you need to look at your body, resistance to doing and being the clever, creative, magical energy that you are. Another energy of leader. Kuan Yin comes in and to show you the way. New portals are opening up. She says your energy is powerful, as is your healing codes. You've been receiving new activations, so share these with the world. The part of your problem is a grief from past life, grieving trauma, holding you down with too many responsibilities and overwhelmed with frustration. It's okay, you have support to dream, plan and move forwards. So let's look at the cellular body for you. It's going to ears and overwhelm. So what percent are the ears holding on to fear and overwhelm? So connect to Rashmi's energy of fear stored in her ears and all the overwhelm. Let's clear it. It's quite big. So you see it's going quite fast. Oh my God. Let's clear Rashmi's cellular fear now relating to overwhelm and stress. This completely clears or transforms at this highest level power. Let's clear the energy around negativity and responsibility. And holding on to physical pain unnecessarily. Ow. I said that as I was having a pained leg. So let's clear all overwhelm and fearful energy. Okay. So what percent is Rashmi holding on to fears now in that area? 0. Right, I hope that helps you. And I'll do the rest when I get back from the shop.